Let me show you the justification statement inside Costimator. Now, once you have prepared any justification, all you have to do is head over to this justification tab, find your existing justification and simply click to open it. This will take you to the justification summary page as we previously saw. Now, in order to find the justification statement, all you have to do is to click on this button right here which says justification. If I just click on it, you now enter the justification statement. This is where you find the comparative between the DSR rates and the market rates which you have provided. So here you'll be able to find the code, the description, the unit and the quantity which comes previously from the estimate itself, the DSR rates which are obviously coming from the DSR, the market rates which are coming from the reanalysis of each item based upon the market rates of basic items provided by you, rate multiplied by quantity to get the amount DSR, and the market rate multiplied by the quantity to get the amount or the market amount. Finally, we are getting the difference between the market rate and the DSR item rates. It has also been color coded for simplicity so that at a glance you are able to see which ones are positive and which ones are negative. So the negatives are shown in red. So this is where the market rate is lesser than the DSR rates, and in this case the market rates are greater than the DSR rates. At the bottom, you're also able to find the justified cost, the estimated cost put to tender, that is the data which we are seeing right here in this justification summary, and finally, whether the justified cost is above or below and by how much. So all this data is shown right here. Again, from right at this window also, you can change the cost index by hovering over this cost index. Just clicking on it, you are again taken to that same window of updating the cost index. Finally, once you are happy with the entire thing, you can download this entire justification statement with a click of a button by using this button right here at the left, which says download in Excel. If I just click on it, I can simply save it. Once the file is saved, I can open it. I can view the entire justification right here. Inside the Excel also, everything has been pre-formatted. The rates are shown in different colors with respect to the market rates, and the differences are also shown with respect to color coding. The currency symbols have also been placed at each of the rate items and the amount items. Again, these are formatting. So you can see the value right here is 152.05. However, it is being represented as a custom format with the currency symbol. At the bottom, you'll be able to find the estimated cost with respect to the estimated items, the estimated cost including the cost index and the justified cost. So for the market rate column, you'll be able to find the justified cost, and you're also getting the information of whether the justified cost is above or below the ECPT. So the entire justification statement is already prepared for you in the best formatting possible. All you have to do is take a printout of it and submit it, or you can directly submit the Excel to the concerned authorities. Finally, inside this window of justification statement, if you wanted to update the rates of the basic items, the market rates of basic items, you can again find this button right here which says edit basic rates. This again will take you inside the same enter market rates area where you can update whatever rates you wanted to. So this is everything about the justification statement inside Costimator.